to the channel. My name is Dalton and this is Bertrand Acres, and in today's video we're going to be taking delivery of all the attachments that are coming with our Baumolite TRL 630D. Now these attachments we're going to be getting a lot of use out of here on the channel. We're doing a lot of videos with them in the future, and so I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and get into it. They should be here any minute and we'll unload this thing. It's probably going to be on a big pallet. We'll have to use a tractor, maybe the skid steer, we'll see. So yeah, I'll see you guys when they get here. Oh, one more thing guys, if you could do me a huge favor and give this video a like, and if you are considering subscribing, I'd really appreciate it. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. This is a fairly new channel, and you know, it'd mean the world to me to hit 1,000 subs. We're trying. I'm putting out as much content as I can right now, and we have a lot of exciting things on the way. So if you guys are enjoying my content and still watching and haven't subscribed yet, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Let's go ahead and get on with the video. They should be here any minute. All right guys, so I just pulled this thing down. What's up guys? So we are about to unbox all the rest of the attachments. We've already been using this thing a good bit over there. We've been clearing land for the new pole barn. So this thing has been very handy. We have just the bucket on it right now. It did come on this pallet with the bucket, but it was on top, so I've been using that. This is all the rest of the stuff that I have for it at this time. I'm gonna be adding a lot more in the future for this thing, but for now we got this right here, which is a tree scoop. Very handy to have on this property because we have a bunch of stuff that is old and just like kind of destroyed from the hurricane. This is going to be getting pulled out. I could probably use the other attachment they sent, which is a tree puller, which is hydraulic, so it'll clamp around this. I can just lift this out of the ground. There's other areas where that tree scoop is going to come in handy as well. So I'm excited to have this. It's going to be perfect to have out here. There's also a couple other goodies in this crate here. So let's go ahead and unbox this and check it out and see what we got. It's not too bad. It's not light though. It's definitely not light. Let me get this over here. I'm gonna go ahead and get this. This is the tree puller. And I think we got one more. That's nice. That's really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put these forks on, and then we're gonna lift the tree puller off. That way we can get to the rest of the stuff. So I'm gonna set this thing down real quick, and I am going to go ahead and rip the rest of this open That way we can get all this stuff out of it. And I'm gonna put it on a time lapse real quick, and we'll knock this out quick, and then we'll go over everything. And I cannot wait to put this stuff to use. We're not gonna do much of it in this video other than the pallet forks, which are already coming in handy. All right guys, so everything is unpacked, it's off the pallet. Let's go ahead and go over everything, starting with this right here. This is a weight kit. It's gonna go in between the tracks, just kind of help counterweight this thing when we're lifting heavy, make it feel a little bit more planted. For those that have the TRL 630D, they said this is a very important piece if you're gonna be lifting pretty heavy. So we got that. I'm gonna be putting that on in a different video. Number 2, right here is the tree puller. Now this thing is hydraulically driven. You can see it's like a big, got teeth there, clamps down on the tree, and then obviously you lift it out with the old mini skid steer there. So this thing is gonna be huge for a lot of the dead trees on the property, a lot of the ones that are kind of in the way, and even kind of like a little mini grapple, I guess. Like if you just need to move some trees up out of the way on the trails or whatever, just go grab one at a time and you know, bring it to where you need it, drop it off, go grab another one. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be very versatile. It's not just for just pulling trees out. I think it's gonna be used in many different ways here on the property, because I don't have a grapple for this thing yet, and I think this thing is gonna be great for, you know, some of the stuff I can do with a grapple. So that's that. Next thing, this is gonna be very nice to have out here. It's the plate to ball hitch adapter. So move trailers around. I got the 2-inch ball on it. Obviously you can change whatever you want. It just takes a 2-inch receiver there. So I'm gonna carry my utility trailer around the property. That's also my boat trailer size. So it's gonna be great for just moving things around quickly. You don't have to worry about grabbing the truck or even the tractor. And this is gonna make it really easy to move things around. Next thing is this tree scoop. I kind of went over it. This is gonna be great for kind of digging out roots, kind of digging down, cutting the roots around trees. That way it makes it easier to lift them out, and then you can obviously scoop it out with it if you want. So obviously both these things do similar things, right? They're meant to pull trees out, but that one's more gonna cut the root systems out. This one might be better for actually lifting it out once you cut it with that. So you could use that first if this is not getting it, and then kind of use them both as a team, I guess. And it should be fairly easy. So we'll end up putting it to the test here in the upcoming videos. But next is, you got the regular bucket here that came with it. I've actually been using that a good bit. I love this thing. Works great. I mean, really well made. The Martach makes a great product. Nothing's cheap about this thing. Very heavy. Same with their pallet forks. This thing is gonna get a lot of use. You guys seen me already use it in this video. Very handy to have. Such a small little machine, very capable, lifts a lot of weight. Just very, very handy to have. And then this thing, definitely interesting looking little attachment here, right? It's actually called a heaping tool. So people will use them in like barns and kind of push hay up, or, you know, push things that they can't reach up out of the way. I'm gonna use it probably on the trails and kind of use it as like a, kind of like a plow, I guess. Just push things deeper into the trails that I don't want in the middle of the trails. So I'm gonna get some use out of this thing as well. It's also probably gonna be a good thing to use whenever we go and put our pole barn posts in. So I can probably use this at the end, and that way we can get up way higher. And I'm gonna see what this thing's rated for. I think it'll be just fine, but it might be a great thing to use for these 8x8s, just to get it up high, and that way we can kind of guide it into the hole. So that thing might be perfect for that. So yeah, maybe we will use that. I'll see what that thing's rated for. I mean, an 8x8 is not that heavy, especially not for this thing. This thing can lift at least 1,000 pounds, so I'm not too worried as far as that goes. It's not gonna hurt the machine, I'll tell you that much. All right guys, so that is gonna do it. We have a lot of awesome attachments. This is gonna be a lot of help here on the property. We're probably gonna get a couple more here shortly. I'm thinking about a bush hog, which I already have a bush hog, but it's for the tractor. I don't know if I need one right now, but I do want a grapple. I have a grapple for the tractor, but back in the trails, it gets real tight. That's, you know, it's not a huge tractor, but it's big. You know, it takes up a lot of room. It's not easy to kind of maneuver in some of the areas back there. So a grapple for this would be great. So that might be next on the list before a bush hog, because I can get away without a bush hog, but I think a grapple is gonna be amazing for this thing. So yeah, we're gonna be doing a lot of videos with all of this stuff in the near future, and I'm excited. We got this pole barn build going on here, And this thing is gonna be amazing for all of that. So yeah, that's gonna do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. It really helps the channel, especially a new channel like this. And we're trying to hit 1,000 subs. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.